Hello? Hello? Cynthia? 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 I'm calling you.
Kelvin, or whatever they called you. What nonsense? What gives you the right to call me?
Cynthia, I've been seeing you around. I just like you. I want to tell you that you're beautiful. I like you.
You?
Yeah.
Kelvin, you like me? Hey! Because you will not see. You like me. You. What is your problem?
Nothing.
Is it that you cannot keep what is between your legs? Or you think I don't know how you go around this town frolicking with young girls? No, wait. Let me give you white girls. I think I'm the next in line, right?
No.
Now, will you shut up your mouth? Are you stupid or what? You think you can just call anybody, any guy you on the street you see? Oh, wait a minute. Think I don't know how you go around using charm to charm young girls and sleep with them?
Me?
No, me. Look at you. The next time you see me on the way and call me, you have a piece of me. Bunch of shits. What? I do not understand. What is this again? Mary! Ha! Just because you're my elder sister doesn't give you the right to be throwing me around like round. Check it now. Am I not old enough to make my decision? Hi! Oh. Just look inside again. Ah! What am I going to do now? Kelvin, I know you've been missing me now. And I know you'll be worried also. Hi. What am I going to do now? Mary. But Mary, you're a witch. A big witch, that's what you are. And you rot in hell. Come and meet me in this house now. You come and meet me in this house. Mary, you come and meet me in this house.
Where have you been?
Kelvin.
I've been calling you for long and your number is not going. For 1 month now, I've not seen. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from home. mean, Mary won't get off my case.
What has she done again this time?
She's just too troublesome. She won't let me to come out of the house.
Now, where are you going to? Where are you going to?
I'm coming to your house.
And this?
I escaped.
Ada,
Mary.
you help me see my sister, Cynthia.
Your sister? No.
You did not see Cynthia.
I said I did not see her now.
Do you know that this guy ran out of the house again?
Again?
Hi. God. Do you know that sometimes I will be thinking that whether we came out from the same room?
Now your sister must be possessed.
Hi. God, I'm finished. What will I do now?
I don't know anything that I have to do with your sister. Just can't. I don't know.
I should count you off, but she's not your sister. She's still my sister. Let me go and look for her.
Bye.
Let's go. Go.
Who is here? Who is here?
What is it?
Tell me.
What are you doing at my house? What is it? Shh. Come like this. Come like this. You don't come like this. What is it?
Tell me. Is my sister here?
I have not seen yourself for good 1 month, and my spirit tells me you are the one that keep away from me. Why are you looking for her here?
Clap for yourself, baby. You have leaving my sister. Clap for yourself. Please, if you know where my sister is, go and bring her out. Just take a good look at me. Since morning. I've been looking for her since morning. Please, go and bring her out.
Come and shut up my mouth. What's the problem? Wait, you have the effort to walk into my compound and start insulting me, calling me all kind of name. See, let me tell you, before I open my eyes, leave my compound.
Which house?
I said leave my house. Come on, leave my house. Are you mad? Get out! Get out of my house.
Which house?
Get out.
This compound.
Come on, leave this house. This is fighting job. Come on, get out of my house. Look at this. You cannot even run. Come on, get out. If I see you again, I will deal with you. Not punish you. Look at that. Come here again. Come here again, and I will deal with you. It's all. Look at your sister, madam. So say baby, not punish you. Come again. You are lucky. Just come next time. And okay. Stupid girl.
Obi, call me.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to ask you a question.
Okay.
Do you love me?
Yes.
Do you really love me? Can you prove it to me?
I love you and you know it.
And if you know you love me, I will take a note.
Must we take a note?
You said you want to stay with me, right? And you want to live here with me forever, right? Prove it to me by taking the oath.
Okay. If that will prove the fact that to you that I love you, then I don't see any reason I'll take it.
Do you know what the oath is all about?
No.
The pastor said, if by any way you see me with that man, you run mad. So, are you ready to take the oath?
I'm ready.
Sure. Okay. Listen. I'm giving you this as my promise and my heart to you. Yes, that much for what? It's okay. Love you too.
I love you too.
Baby, you know I love you.
I love you too.
I love you so much, to the extent that each time your sister comes here to look for you, I'm always scared that you follow her.
Me?
No.
Yeah. No. I love you, Kelvin. Seriously, I can't do anything without you. You know it.
Are you serious? Do you know that you're my heart? Each time you don't step out of this company, I'll just die.
You're not serious.
Serious, come here. Come on. I miss you. So tell me, do you love me?
Let me think. Do I love you? Then? Of course you know I love you. Stop.
So if you do, give me a talk. Come here. Come and sit here. So tell me, what do you think today?
No. She will be when you were leaving. You didn't tell me that you eat. And you know I can't eat without you.
I just went out to look for something, but I'm back. I know you miss me. Right?
Of course.
Come here.
Stop rushing me.
I miss you, dude.
It's so funny, seriously.
Are you serious?
Kelvin, I love you. I mean, I love you so much that I don't even know what I'm doing sometimes. I think maybe I should say I love you better than I love myself. I don't know if that's a statement.
See, I love you, than my mother, my father, even myself. I even love more than myself. I do.
I miss you.
Bye, Kideko.
Oh, sorry.
Kideko.
Hey, you asked me if your sister was right? Yes, I saw her this morning at that provision shop beside Kelvin house. I called her. She don't even respond.
Jesus. You don't mean it?
I saw her
Hey! God, oh, this girl will not kill me. Did you know that I went to that stupid boy's house to ask about my sister? And he told me that I don't know where Cynthia is. This and that. He purposely chased me out. Hey! Hey, this girl will not kill me. Oh. See, my God is blessed. Thank you for this information. I'm going to their house now. That girl, I must get her today. Thank you, God bless you. Bye-bye. Cynthia!
Jesus. Mary!
So you are here!
Kelvin!
Look at this girl, oh! You are running! Don't worry. You and that your stupid boyfriend called Kelvin, today, the both of you must kill me, oh! I'm waiting for you here. Don't worry. Run and come. I'm waiting for you, oh! Hey! So this thing is inside this house. Okay.
Yeah, come on. Come like this. Come on from there. What are you doing there?
Kelvin, I need my sister.
You need your sister?
Yes.
You your sister in this house?
Yes.
See, let me tell you. Let me just tell you. Cynthia, your sister, loves me so much. And she wants to stay here with me. And how is that your business? How is it your business?
Fiapa, which love? My sister, love you.
You are jealous.
I'm jealous.
You are jealous.
Hey! Jealous of who? Jealous of you. Jealous of, just take a look at yourself. Jealous of you. See, who does not know you in this town? See, let me tell you, Kelvin. I know, what you are up to. You are using charm on my sister. Because she's not using her eyes.
Shut up your mouth. How dare you? I can see now that you are jealous. Just take a look at you. Look at you. Which one will ever come for you? Nobody. My sister loves me. See, I don't want to talk much.
Jealous.
Leave my house.
Jealous of, jealous of you.
Come on. Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. You are still talking again. Come on, get out. Come on, leave my house. You're very stupid. Look at you.
Give me my sister, oh. Give me, see, if I should come back here.
Come on.
You don't like what I do to you.
Get out of my house. Get out of my house.
I should get out.
Get out.
Which house? This company.
What?
Oh, God. Kelvin, what? God, Kelvin, what?
Rose. Yes. This is the reason I called you. As you know, Kevin is already mad. And this is so complicating.
Yes, I saw him running up and down the street. Sorry.
Well, I know the reason why he's mad. He cheated on me. And not just because he cheated on me. We had a note.
What? A note? God, why that extent?
Yes. And the oath is about that if any of us cheat on each other, the person will go mad. The thing is that he's the only son of his parents, and both are already dead.
Cynthia, I'm so sorry. I don't know what this is going on, okay? I'm so sorry. Please, I'm so sorry.
No, it's not your fault. I just don't know what to do right now. I'm just...
My advice to you is just leave the house. Yes, just leave the house. Because when his uncle comes back and meets you, oh my God, you're not gonna like your life. Honestly.
Really?
Just leave the house, please. I'm begging you, okay? Please.
I actually thought about it.
Please, just leave the house, okay?
Oh God.